we're with Rex in his Chaser.
The beast.
And we're about to go for a drive in it, so you'll see some footage soon, but this is it.
Yes.
1JZ, no shit.
The best, only the best. No RB nonsense, Tristan.
Come on.
Yeah.
You had to get a Falcon and you had to get a JZ.
Yep.
So,
no Nissan boys over here, only Nathan. He's a dirty SR.
I used to be the biggest SR fanboy, and then after going RB, they sound like dirty tractors.
Yeah, that's so true.
So what's this thing for the people who haven't jumped across to your channel yet?
So this is my 2000 JZX100 Chaser. It's currently got Link standalone ECU, big GTX 3076 Pulsar Turbo, fuel pressure reg, intercooler of course, Walbro 525 E85 pump. What else? It's got all the new gaskets and all that. Yeah, pretty tame, I guess, for like something like this. It's making 330 at the wheels, but
how much boost is that?
See, I didn't get a ethanol boost reading. I forgot to ask my tuner because I'm an idiot. But I know that on 98, it's running about 21, I think it was.
So you're probably, realistically, you're probably running about another 7 PSI on E85.
Probably something like that. But yeah, extremely tame for a 1J. Like it's not unopened, completely unopened. Oh, it's got 1000cc Bosch injectors as well. But
sweet.
Yeah, super tame. Don't need to do all that, any of that oiling shit that you didn't need to do in RVs. I'm just shit talking RVs.
You couldn't resist.
Yeah,
you had to chuck that one in.
You know, I don't need to drill in the back of my head, Tristan. You know, I don't need to freaking take my head off and drill in there. Don't need to worry about that, you know? RVs, I love RVs, honestly. They sound sick. The internally gated turbo as well, which I'm pretty happy about.
Yep.
So I don't have to worry about any of the stupid piping or the, you know.
And it's a response monster.
It is very responsive. E85 corn juice. And
what are these sexy rims?
So these are SSR SP1s, I think they are. I got them a while back. I'm not really a wheel fanatic, so.
Oh mate, the wheel boys froth over these.
Yeah, people love them. The back fitment is very aggressive. Like I'm pretty happy with it.
Look how fat that is.
The back, it's a lot.
Mexicano.
That's it, and it's got a 3-inch exhaust, you know.
Oh, the usuals.
Yep, just the standard. And then Tristan helped me with these lines, actually. Yeah, you helped me with this line, remember?
I helped out with some Raceworks lines.
Yep.
All done. Hooked a brother up.
Yep.
So you're going to see some footage of that coming up next, and sort of make a really quick, short video of cruising around with Rex. We're doing a bunch of stuff together.
Nothing illegal.
Nothing illegal, but you've got engine here, head over there, block there, manifolds here, big turbo. You've seen him on the channel before when we're showing the intercooler and the different turbo parts for max speeding rods. So barra build incoming. We're trying to get to a 10-second quarter.
That's going to be difficult. That's going to be really hard. After seeing those cars there at Heathcote.
Now you know. Now you know.
I know.
10 second is
I always knew it was going to be hard, but far out.
We'll get there. We'll get there.
It's going to be good. I'm excited.
EC. Anyway, check that out. We'll catch you later. If you haven't guessed, we're in Rex's Chaser. It's been a while since I've been in something fast.
Yes. I mean, you went in Nathan Sylvia. That was pretty good.
That was fast. Yep. Brought back some memories. SR days. But 6-cylinder JDM life is where it's at.
It's like weird. It's like not bouncing off limiter like it should. That's weird.
It's probably got a safety mode for some reason.
Maybe it's not warm enough. Who knows?
Was there lights flashing?
Oh, don't worry about that. That's just the shit that's not used by the ECU. I just haven't bothered taking the bulbs out.
Yep.
I like it. I don't really care. Dosey boy.
Dosey do. like I'm totally immune to fast cars.
Yeah, for sure. I know what it's like. Like once you know what it's like, and you sort of already know what the feeling's gonna be like, and then you just sort of like, oh yeah, not bad. Even though you're like, to a normal person, it's like warp speed, you know?
Oh, I know. My missus loves, like, she'll go in a Golf R that's freaking fast.
Yeah.
And because it's not all the noises and it's not sketchy, she doesn't give a fuck about it. But then she'll jump in like a car like this and she'll be like, oh yeah, this is awesome. Like, loves it. Parks down here. God, I wish I was young again.
Yeah, I know, right?
They never had any when I was a kid.
I used to have a scooter. I used to do tricks out of the bowl.
Scooter kids.
Yeah, of course.
So we were like rollerblades and like extreme inline skating and skateboarding.
Yeah.
And scooters came out. We're like, get these fucking kids off our fucking ramps. They're getting in the road. Has this turbo got the HKS mod on it?
Bit of a bowl here. A bit skid.
Drift point.
No second.
Seconds, man. Drifty boy, Rex.
There she goes, not bad. That was second as well. It went into second really good. I'm surprised. Fuck, GG tyres though. Yeah, those
that
tyres.
one looks sick from the outside.
Oh, we out of here, bro.
Oh yeah.
Go green, please. God damn it.
All the skater boys. Oh yeah, do burn out.
Yeah, it hasn't got much tread left, so I need to be careful. Especially grabbing second. That actually went in the smoothest it's ever been in second.
Fucking cool as. You did very well. I was impressed.
Yeah, it's all the AU drifting. Yeah, it's got no grip now. Fuck me.
Good game, tyres. Rip.
It's so sketchy, like having like that much stretch and just knowing, you know, how much of the tire is just not on the wheel.
Yeah. And RIP wheels if you ever hit anything. That'd be sad.
I'm actually shocked how nicely that went into second. I'm actually genuinely shocked.